السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا مالك من العراق وجيت للهند أسوي عملية لابني. عمليتين عنده، مو واحدة، اثنين عنده. واحدة مال حوض تبديل ورك، والثانية مال ركب مال مفاصل. والحمد لله والشكر نجحن العمليتين، ومستشفى جدا راقي جدا راقي. شو اسمه؟ بعد شي تريد انت تسأل؟ اسم الدكتور راجي. أرقى مستشفى والخدمات فول الفول بيها، جيد جدا. دكاترة تعاملهم زين، الموظفين كلهم تعاملهم جيد جدا.
Today I'm going to talk to you about a very interesting case, something you don't really see in your practice on a day-to-day basis, of a young 18-year-old boy who came to us in the end of October. He had a rare condition, something you really don't find very commonly, called PPD, or progressive pseudo-rheumatoid dysplasia. Unfortunately, because of this condition, both his hips and both his knees were damaged so much that he could not walk properly. So on examination, he had pretty bad deformities in both his hips. They were flexed, abducted, externally rotated. मतलब ऐसे थे कि उनको हमें सीधा करने में भी मेहनत लगी. And the knees were also outward bowed with a flexion deformity, only allowing a range of motion from 20 degrees to about 90 degrees. So he was in a pretty bad shape when he came to us. We planned his first surgery, which was both hip replacement, where you actually change the ball and the socket of the joint, like change this cup and change the ball. And depending on how he responded, we planned to do either the next stage within a week or within 2 or 3 weeks. But he was so positive in his response that we proceeded with the second stage surgery, which involved changing his knees as well, in which case we put new artificial knees where we change the surface of the upper and the lower bones forming the knee joint. Within 4 or 5 days, he was so comfortable and so happy after all these surgeries that he was walking, of course initially with the help of a walker, and he's so thrilled and so happy. We had to actually tell him, look, go slow and go easy, because the first 2-3 months is what it takes for you to recover completely from this surgery.
اسمي حسام من العراق، من كربلاء. جيت لنا نسوي عملية للورك وللركاب. الحمد لله نجحت، والتعامل جيد مع المستشفى والدكتور جدا جيد. Thank you Yatharth.